Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download Huawei Health app on any Oppo phone. Now to install the Huawei Health app on your smartphone, we will have to install the Huawei app gallery first, since the Huawei Health app is not available on the Google Play Store. For that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. From here, just tap on Install Now. Then tap on Install. From here, just tap on Install App Gallery. Then tap on Download Anyway. Then tap on Open. From here, just select Install. Now just tap on More Details and tap on Install Anyway. Then enter your lock screen password. Then tap on Done. Now if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer, as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the Huawei App Gallery on our smartphone. Now just open the Huawei App Gallery, then select Agree. Now just tap on Cancel and tap on OK. Now in the search bar, just search this. And install this app on your smartphone. For that, just tap on Install, then enable this toggle. After that, just go back and tap on Install. Select Install, then tap on Open. Now, as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the Huawei Health app on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can download the Huawei Health app on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.